In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to your Outlook calendar event, building your scheduling skills to make you an efficient organizer. Sometimes, whether it's planning a meeting or coordinating a social gathering, we realize that there are more people who should be part of that conversation. So let's get started on how you can seamlessly add those additional participants to your scheduled events in no time. First, open up your Microsoft Outlook application. This is your go-to platform for managing emails, scheduling meetings, and organizing your digital life. If you don't have it open already, you can easily find it by searching Outlook on your computer or using the shortcut on your desktop or taskbar. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple email addresses. Once you're in Outlook, navigate to your calendar. You can usually find this in the lower left corner of the screen. The calendar is where all the magic happens, allowing you to view, schedule, and modify events. You'll want to select the calendar tab to bring up a view of your scheduled engagements. Now that you're viewing your calendar, locate the specific event you want to update. This might be an upcoming meeting, a planned conference call, or perhaps a casual catch-up. Right-click on the event you wish to modify. This action will reveal a menu of options. Here, what you're looking for is the Forward option. You'll select this to proceed to the next step where you can add additional participants. After selecting Forward, a new email window will open. Here's where you can easily include the email addresses of the people you want to invite to your event. Enter their details in the To section. It works just like sending any other email. Make sure there are no typos in their addresses to ensure that they receive the invitation. It's important to note that when you forward a calendar event in this manner, it's akin to sending a calendar invite, so those you are inviting will see the event's details, time, and date, making it convenient for them to accept or decline the invitation. Finally, once you've double-checked that everything looks good and all new invitees are included, go ahead and hit Send. This will forward the event details to the additional participants, effectively adding them to your scheduled meeting or event. It's as simple as that. By taking just a few steps, you've expanded your meeting to include everyone who needs to be there. And there you have it, simple, quick, and efficient. With just a few clicks, you've mastered the art of expanding your Outlook meetings efficiently. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks that keep your productivity flowing seamlessly.